Hello students, in this session
Let us solve a question on shear force and bending moment diagram. A beam of negligible mass is hinged at support P and has a roller support Q. As shown in figure, a point load 1200 Newton is applied at point R. The magnitude of reaction force at support Q is in Newton. We have to find out, right? So there is one support P point is there, one roller support at Q point is there, and 1200 Newton load is applied at the center at R point. We have to find out the reaction here. What is the reaction here, right? You know that there is only vertical, here it is horizontal reaction only, right? Perpendicular to the roller joint, right? So there is this horizontal reaction will be there. So this reaction we have to find out, R at Q. This reaction we have to find out. So let us solve this question.
in this question we are given with a beam, a simply supported beam basically, which is of L shaped, and at P point this is hinge joint and at Q point this is a roller joint, and a point load is applied at of 1200 Newton at R, which is at 5 meter from the P point. We have to find out the reaction at point Q. Now you know that the hinge joint can take vertical as well as horizontal force. This Q point can take only load in the direction perpendicular to the applied, right? It can move in this direction. Here it is vertical direction basically. It can move in vertical direction, but it cannot move in horizontal direction because there is a support here, right? You can see here it is fixed here. But in this direction it can move, right? So the reaction will be only one direction, right? In this direction, horizontal direction. So this is the reaction, say this is RQ. This we have to find out, RQ basically, right? And at P point there will be two reactions will be there, right? Because hinge joint can take both reactions, vertical as well as horizontal. It cannot move in vertical direction, it cannot move in horizontal direction, right? So there is the reaction in vertical direction, that is RP. I am writing vertical direction, and it has also the reaction in horizontal direction RP, and I am writing H means horizontal, right? So RP horizontal, RP vertical, two reactions will be there. There will be no any movement, right? Because it cannot take movement. It can move if it is free to move, right? So it is very easy now. We can take movement about any point, P point, and sum of all the moments should be equal to 0. So in the solution, take the moment, sum of all the moments about any point, say P equal to 0, because body is in static equilibrium. So in this case, how many forces are there? The moment of this force reaction RPH is 0 because it is passing through P only. The moment of this RPV will be 0 because it is passing through this point only, so no perpendicular distance. Moment of 1200 Newton and RQ will be there. So moment of 1200 Newton is clockwise. Let us say clockwise is positive. So this is 1200 multiplied by the distance, perpendicular distance, that is 5 meters, and minus, because it is anti-clockwise, moment of RQ is anti-clockwise. RQ multiplied by perpendicular distance is 4 meters. So RQ multiplied by 4 meters, and that should be equal to 0. So from here we can find out RQ directly, we can find out. So that is equal to 1200 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. So this will be equal to 1500 Newton. So RQ is basically 1500 Newton. So this is the answer of this question.